Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to generate publication quality image using BIOVIA Discovery Studio. You know, after molecular docking, we usually get two types of result. First, the docking score of the ligand molecules and the dock poses. And now, to see the interaction of the dock poses within the side pocket or binding side of the protein molecule, we need to open it in different visualization software when we can explore the interaction and we can generate publication quality images. So in this video, I am going to use BIOVIA Discovery Studio, and first of all, I am going to download it from the website and install it in my laptop. To download the software, type in Google BIOVIA Discovery Studio, and this is the link for downloading. Click here to open. Now you have to register for download. Okay. Register. Email ID is required for registration, and select your country, and then accept the term and condition, and then submit. Now, the link for download is open. This is for Windows, and this is for Linux. Now click here to download. Okay, so I have already downloaded the software, and it is present in my download folder. So this is the setup. Double click here to install the software. Now click next.
Next.
And install. If I click here, the software will be installed. And already it's installed in my laptop, but I'm not installing it. I'm canceling it. Okay.
Finish.
So after installing, a desktop icon will appear in your desktop. From here, you can open the software. So double click here to open the BIOVIA Discovery Studio. It's now open, and this is the interface of BIOVIA Discovery Studio Visualizer. You can open your protein and ligand molecule to see their structure. You can edit the structure. You can generate publication quality images. You can view the different types of interaction which are present between the protein molecule and drug molecule, etc. Okay, so now I am going to open the protein molecule and ligand molecule. I'm going to show you how to prepare their images. Now fast open your protein molecule and ligand molecule into the visualization software. For that, go to the File, then Open, and you can choose the folder where your protein and ligand molecules are present. So in this docking folder is putting a ligand. So I am clicking in the aldehyde dehydrogenase 1A1 to open it. Click Open. Now you can see this is the protein molecule. There is another way. You can directly go to the folder where the protein ligand is, then right-click on it, and then open with BIOVIA Discover Studio. So the ligand molecule is also now open. So this is the docked molecule that tell me certain I have docked into the active site pocket of LDI dehydrated 1A weak. And after molecular docking, we get these types of pose. But you can see the protein molecule is not present here. It is only the pose of telmisartan. Now, to see the interaction between the protein and ligand, we have to merge these two structures. Okay, so for that,
First,
go to the MPhil, then click Hierarchy. Then a bar will open, and here all the details about this molecule is present. You can see this is the chain A. Under chain A, the amino acids are present. This is the first amino acid aspartate. Then leucine, proline. So all the details.
and
Also, the atoms under this fast MNR acid is also present. So you can click to locate this atom in this structure. You can also edit the structure. You can delete, edit. Okay, So this is the structure of protein molecule. Now, go to the ligand molecule, and within this bar, this hierarchy, right-click here to copy the coordinates of this molecule, and then paste this coordinate in the bar, hierarchy bar of protein molecule, paste here. Now these coordinates are present here, so you can see within the active site pocket of this protein that now the ligand molecule is present. Now I am going to show you what are the different options to change the display time. First of all, you can see there is the different types of display style. So these are default. You can select any one of them. First select the molecule, protein molecule and ligand molecule. Then change the display style. This is one type. Also, I'll add a model. This is another display style. So better to choose the display style manually. Okay, manual options are also there. Before protein, first select protein molecule, and then click here. You'll get several options here. You can change the style of the protein molecule, like this is stick model. Apply. This is the stick model. Line ribbon.
Okay.
Flat ribbon. Solid tube. Tube. And schematic. Click OK to select their different style. For ligand molecule, you can also select first ligand molecule, and then in atom option, you can select there are different options. Stick. Apply. So now the ligand molecule, the style of ligand molecule has been changed to stick. It's ball and stick. And you can also change the size of ball and stick. Okay. Suppose here I am selecting 60 for ball and for 40. Now apply. You can see the change. Okay. And this is for CPK and polyhedra.
Okay.
You can also change the color of this protein molecule and ligand molecule. Select the protein molecule. We're changing its color. Protein and color by the alpha.
Okay.
By rainbow. This is the rainbow. So several options are there. Okay. And for changing the background of this image, here you can see background color is black, so you can change it to white or better visualization. Now the background has been changed. You can change the quality of the images. Okay. And you can increase the light of this image clicking this option. And you can also change the material. Here, I have selected rubber. Okay, so the structure of the protein will look like rubber, then plastic, metallic. Several options are there. Chew. For ligand molecule, you can also choose custom color. You can select any color. From there are several color options. Suppose I am selecting here blue. So the color of the ligand molecule is now blue, and changing it to blue.
Okay.
So better to change the display style of protein in soluble display style.
Okay. And
For the ligand, I'm changing it to stick.
okay.
Now, if you want to see the three-dimensional interaction between the protein and ligand, then first select the ligand molecule. This is the ligand molecule. Click here, and then define ligand. Click here to define the ligand. Now the ligand has been selected. Okay. Now, click here, Ligand Interaction. This is for 3D interaction. If you click here, you can see the ligand molecule is present and surrounding it the amino acids which are present in the active site. These are the amino acid, and these are the different kinds of bonds: hydrophobic interaction, hydrogen bonds. Okay, so you can label these bond amino acids and the atoms of ligand molecules. While labeling, right-click here and click Label.
Now,
If you want to label the amino acid, the amino acid, and attribute, as attribute select 3-letter and ID. Okay, that means the name of the amino acid in 3-letter and their number. Click here to apply, and you can change the color of this label. I'm changing it to brown,
like,
and you can change this font and font size.
okay.
If you want to present the bond distances, then click here Show Distances, so you can see the bond length of different bonds. 5.39 for this bond, 3.96 for this bond. And these bonds have been shown in different colors. For a hydrogen bond, it is usually shown in green color, and for other hydrophobic interaction is purple or pink color. Okay, so this is three-dimensional interaction. You can further modify it. One of the best feature of BIOVIA Discovery Studio is 2D diagram. So click here to visualize the 2D diagram. If I click here, you can see this is the 2D diagram. Okay.
And
You can also change the display style of this 2D diagram. The font and font size, you can change it. And you can also change the ligand display style. Okay. Ball size, I have decreased the ball size. And this is the steep model. This model.
okay.
This is for interaction. All the interactions have been shown here. Okay. And you can see the color for different types of ball. This is for line.
This is for big. Okay. Yes.
This is 2 diagram. So interactions are beta display here with all types of bonds. And you can also display the bond length. Okay. Click here, Show Distance. Now the bond length are also have been displayed here. And you can save these images, go to the file, and click here, Save As. I'm select the folder here, I'm selecting desktop, and give it a name, and save it as image file. Okay. Click Save. Now, change the width and height is better to Okay, it's 4000. Okay, because it's the highest resolution for 1000. Wait, okay. Now the image will be saved in text. You can see the dimensional interaction diagram between the aldehyde dehydrogenate and thymine sulfate. And now you can give surface to the amino acid. Okay, so for that, select here our amino. Can see this is the aromatic surface, this is the active site pocket of the enzyme, and this is the surface, aromatic surface. We can also display other surface like hydrogen bond. So the area where the hydrogen bond donors and acceptors are present will be displayed in green and pink color. Okay, if you want to display the hydrogen area, click here. So this is the hydrophobicity. So blue regions are more hydrophilic, and these gray regions are hydrophobic area. If you want to display the surface of whole protein, then first of all you have to select the protein molecule, then go to Structure, Add. And several options are there for adding surface like solvan, PWB, solid, wear mesh. So I am selecting here solid, halvan, and wild mesh or solid. Okay. And okay. You can see the surface of the protein molecule, and it is said hydrophobic surface. This genders are hydrophobic, this sigens are hydrophic. And this is the active site pocket where the ligand molecule is present. So for displaying surface, display options are there. Again, structure, surface,
Add.
wormish. I'm selecting now, wormish. This is the wormish instant. But the hydraulic surface is the same. Oh, to change it, add or remove options in there. Colored by hydrophobicity, you can change it to other, like parent color. Okay. So it's up to you. What do we actually want to display? It's up on you. I am just showing the different types of options. So you can explore these options and generate your publication quality image as you want. You can also remove the facet from here.
Okay.
Now it is present in its original form. So again, I am saving the image. BIOVIA. Alias image file. Xstop. Increase the dimension. So image has been saved here. So this is the image. So you can change the color, edit the structure, everything you can done, and it's up on you. Okay. You have to explore the BIOVIA Discovery Studio Visualizer, and you have to explore the option to generate your publication quality. So that's all for today's tutorial. Thank you.